In this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert headings in Reddit. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. To insert headings in Reddit posts, first, you need to go to your account and click on create post here. First, we have here, this is the headline section, and I'll just put here tech news like that, and then head to my text box. So I have this post that I have inserted, and I'll wish to insert a subheading here or another heading here within this text. To do this, just click on the spot you wish to insert and then write the text. For instance, I'll just write the summit. I want it to be another subheading, and to make it a heading, just click at the beginning and head over to this heading option, and you can see by clicking on it, the heading will be added within your text. So once you are done, now you can publish your post. So that's how you can add headings in Reddit. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.